I'm about to show you how you can make over $300 per day as a one-person business in 2025. And I've used this method to make $1,000 per day only after 1 month of working. You see, 99% of people think that to grow a business, you need to hire a team, manage people, and work 24/7. But there's a small group of smart people taking advantage of a new business model that allows you to work all by yourself and make a six-figure plus income a year working from the comfort of your own home. And so that you can build a lean, high-profit business with no employees, no startup costs, and no risks. Let's get started. Okay, now I want to start out by talking about TikTok. Now, why TikTok and why is this important to you? TikTok has over 1 billion active users worldwide, all right? Why is this important? Because TikTok has the power to influence purchases. TikTok is not only being used as an entertainment platform, now it's being used as a search engine, right? And I know a lot of you are actually searching a lot of things on TikTok before you decide what to purchase on TikTok. A lot of you are being influenced by the content that you see on TikTok right now, all right? Sometimes I'll see a product on TikTok and I get influenced to buy it. Did you know that Gen Z is using TikTok instead of Google? 74% of them actually use TikTok as a search engine. They're not using Google. Okay, so the way on how people are using platforms online is changing. All right, I'm a millennial. I actually use Google a lot to search things, but Gen Z does not use Google at all. They're using TikTok. All right, three biggest reasons why. They're getting a video format result of their search. Right? They have more relatable answers and it's personalized answers, right? And people are being influenced by the content on TikTok, right? I'm sure a lot of you have seen products going viral on TikTok and generating lots of sales for those brand owners. Now, let me tell you why this is important, right? Well, now you can buy products directly from TikTok. Yes, directly from TikTok, guys. Now, this is incredible because you can actually sell products directly through TikTok videos. You're going to be capitalizing on people's impulse purchases. This is completely changing the e-commerce game, guys, because this is open up the doors to people who are looking to start brands, but maybe didn't have the money to launch those brands on Amazon because it costs a lot of money to launch brands on Amazon. With TikTok Shop, guys, you literally don't even have to buy any upfront inventory. You may be asking how the hell could this be true? I'll explain in a second, all right? But I just want you to understand this is a huge opportunity because all you need to do to make money now is simply launch a product on TikTok Shop, create content around it, content goes viral, people buy the product directly from the video, boom, you make lots and lots of money. Now, I recommend that you all go right now and sign up with Virality, right? This is gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna leave you guys a link in the description of this video of Virality. Virality is a TikTok Shop analytics tool. Also, I'm gonna leave you guys a nice discount code for you guys that you guys could use. You get a 7-day free trial. You can start playing around with the tool. I'll leave that in the description of this video. All right, so we're gonna go to top sales and we're gonna go to monthly, right? So here you see a huge list of products, right? That are all selling on TikTok, right? So what is Virality? Virality is a TikTok Shop analytics tool. It shows you which products are the top sellers on TikTok Shop right now. And as you can see, the top seller right now is Goldie Gummies. They sold over $5 million in the last 30 days. Insane, guys. You have these earphones have done $1.8 million. You have a neck massager, $4.2 million. Freaking crazy, right? So here you can see exactly how much money products are making. Now, what's really cool about this, let's go ahead and analyze this neck massager. If I actually click on the product itself, what Virality is going to do is it's going to show me the relevant videos. So here you could see which videos have been posted about this product, have gone the most viral, and how much revenue they have generated, right? So if I actually click on this video, and I want to see it, I could see the actual video on TikTok that went viral, right? So this person literally just posted this video of them using the neck massager on their back, right? And this thing went super viral. And this one video generated $1.5 million in revenue from one video, right? How TikTok Shop works, let me go back here. You can see there's a lot of different videos from people that are posting this neck massager, right? These are all TikTok Shop creators. So just so you understand how it works is you can launch a product on TikTok. You don't even have to make the content, right? You can reach out to creators and they'll make videos with your product, and then people will buy the product from their videos. Now, why would they be incentivized to make videos with your product? Because they're going to earn commissions by simply making videos with your product. So your only job as a TikTok Shop seller is to list this product on TikTok and to have as many people as possible making videos with your product, because then it goes viral, and then there you go. Now that you kind of understand how it works and how much money there really is to be made, now let's talk about how you can use Virality to figure out what product you're gonna sell. Well, you're gonna go to here, top sales, and you're gonna go to monthly. Here you can see a whole list of products that are the best sellers. I typically recommend just choose from this list. It doesn't matter that other people are already making millions with it. You can be another seller selling these products. This is the beauty of TikTok Shop. You don't have to worry about competition. It's just about the content being created around the product. That's all that matters. I actually have created a video that shows you how to find winning products to sell on TikTok Shop here in this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the description of this video, and also leave a little link to it right here. All right, but again, that's how it works. So for example, here you have a huge list of products that you can use. For example, let's say we wanted to launch our own neck massager, because I see it's making a lot of money, right? So this is where it gets fun, because you can actually use websites like Zendrop, for example, and you can drop ship products like that neck massager on TikTok Shop. So if you don't know what dropship is, essentially is you're working with an on-demand supplier like Zendrop. You're gonna connect Zendrop with your TikTok Shop. You're gonna list the product, and then whenever you get an order, they're going to pack the product and ship it to the customer. So say, for example, Zendrop sells you that neck massager for $5. All you have to do to make money is list that product on TikTok Shop for $15, and you make $10 profit per product. The beautiful thing about this is that you don't have to buy any upfront inventory. You don't have to risk any money. So if I go here on my products, now if I go here on find products, and I can actually search for neck massager, right? Perfect. I've searched neck massager, and here, look, there's one just like it for $8.42. So I can probably list this on TikTok Shop, right? You see Zendrop fulfillment. Perfect. And even better, I can actually go and spy on my competitor, right? This guy's right here. I could actually click on the product and see the type of content that has gone viral, and I can replicate it, right? The next step is you're gonna go to seller.tiktok.com and create your TikTok Shop seller account. It's free to create one, all right? Just hit North America seller, and you'll be able to do it, all right? Now, I actually have a full tutorial on how to create your TikTok Shop seller account as well. I'll leave that in the description of this video. Okay, so you have your product that you're going to sell on TikTok Shop. You have your on-demand supplier. You've connected Zendrop with your TikTok Shop seller account. Then you're gonna list the product on your TikTok Shop, and then you're gonna go ahead and start reaching out to creators. You can also make the content yourself. That's not a problem. But the real way on scaling, as you can see, this neck massager, they're currently working with over 433 different creators at the moment. So that's a lot of people making videos with their product, right? So if you want to start making millions, you have to start working with a lot of different creators, right? And how do you do this? Well, you have to reach out to them, right? Now, you can do this inside your TikTok Shop seller account. They actually have a section. Okay, so for example, we're over here inside our TikTok Shop seller accounts. And if I go to affiliate, we go to affiliate, we can actually do an open collaboration and start reaching out to creators. Now, this is one way that you can do this. Now, the fast way on how I recommend that you start reaching out to creators so they can start making videos with your product is by using a bot. One that you can use is called Yuka. This is like a bot that automatically reaches out to thousands of creators for you with a push of a button, right? So before you know it, you can have 10, 20, 30, 40 people creating videos with your product, and so on. Now, note, if you're gonna start working with a lot of creators, they are gonna need samples of your product so they can start making videos with it. So think about your budget. You can start just making the videos yourself, and then scale from there, right? Obviously, it works a lot faster if you have some sort of capital to give samples to creators. Again, guys, this is a huge opportunity because you can literally start a brand without risking any money on inventory, without risking any money on marketing, and you can literally get started today and start making sales as soon as this week, guys. Now, if you would like for me to make a more detailed video that shows you every little step, what I'm gonna need you to do then is subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, comment the word how to sell on TikTok Shop, and if I get more than 10 comments, I will make a step-by-step video on how I launch, for example, a neck massager on TikTok Shop, I'll reach out to creators, and the whole thing for you guys. All right? Also, in 5 seconds, you are about to get a completely free training video on how to sell on TikTok Shop. It'll give you a more general idea on how everything works. Also, if you're really serious about getting started with TikTok Shop and you would like to work with my team and have us help you step by step on how everything works, we actually have a one-on-one coaching program. So if you are interested on that, click the link in the description of this video and you'll be able to apply to it. On our coaching program, we work with you one-on-one. We help you launch your first product. We give you access to our bot. We help you find affiliate. We help you find more and more creators to really scale your business as soon as possible. We also help you with TikTok ads to help you build your brand as fast as possible. All right, we've been doing this for a long time. We know what we're doing, and you're in good hands. There's a link in the description of this video. The link is going to take you to an application. After you apply, you'll be able to book a call. On the call, we'll talk about your goals with the business and how my team and I can personally help you start a successful TikTok Shop business. Also, a training video is about to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a video that will give you a more general idea on how everything works. Also, after the video, you'll be able to apply to our coaching program as well. I'll see you on the next.